Nice one. So I'm gonna start it off with some blueberry. I'm just using some frozen blueberry. All right, and it's gonna be beautiful and nice. So we're gonna start it off with some frozen blueberry. All right, that's lovely. Also, I got some beautiful handful of spinach. It's not gonna be a lot of spinach, rough about a handful of spinach. All right, so right here, rough about a handful of spinach inside of the blender. All right, I love my spinach, so I'm always using it, and you guys know. Nice one. It's gonna be super easy and nice. It's not gonna be complicated, where you guys can make this at home. All right, so also we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. All right, beautiful one. Now I love my recipes with a lot of flavor and taste inside of it. All right, the one I'm gonna do. All right, I normally get some good sea moss, so we're gonna put a good teaspoon of sea moss inside of it. Now you can get this from oceanmoss.co.uk. All right, good sea moss, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. And that's what we're talking about. Good sea moss, can't go wrong. All right. Now we're going to squeeze roughly about half of a lemon. We're gonna squeeze half of a lemon juice inside of it like this. Okay. Nice one. Now, the beautiful thing about this, guys, to be honest with you, all right, we're gonna put also a slice of lemon, ginger, not lemon, ginger inside of it. Beautiful. It's amazing to know what you can do with some natural ingredients. All right. I got one of my favorite. I like to use it, to be honest with you. I love to use it. Sometimes I normally soak the seed first before I use it, but this time I'm not gonna soak the seeds. I'm just gonna go straight into it with it. So right here I have roughly about half tablespoon of chia seeds inside of it. Beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. All right. That is fantastic, guys. If you like, you can put some this is some good flaxseed powder. So we're gonna put half a tablespoon of flaxseed powder inside of it. Beautiful. And these are my favorite stuff that I like to use when I'm in the kitchen at home. It's coming really handy. All right. Now I'm gonna simply say to you, you can use milk, water, coconut water, or whatever you like to use. All right. So I'm gonna put in roughly about half cups of water inside of it. All right. That is excellent. Then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put it to the blend. All right. We're gonna make some nice. If not, what we're gonna do is try and serve it right here. Beautiful and nice. Let's make some nice. excellent. Now, what I'm gonna do, so beautiful. I love it. All right, it's excellent. So right here, we're just gonna simple pour it out. That's so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, it's important. So here it is. Wow, that is amazing. That is lovely. Now what you want to do, enjoy it. That is excellent. That is excellent, guys. Beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing. I will definitely give you guys some more recipes, more ideas, and more things like this. So if you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and things for you to make at home. Enjoy it. This is from Chef Ricardo to you guys on Healthy Side. See you next time. Bye-bye.